Hello. Here we are at something that looks very much like what you're going to get a link to once I've provided my comments for your paper. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be testing the word editor to see how well it works for you. Nothing you do here will count against you, so you don't have to worry about that. I just want you to try and work through your paper using the editor in the way I'm going to show you. You'll notice before we go there that there's a header tab here, but you don't actually have a right header. If you want to see what your paper actually looks like, because this isn't really what it looks like, you'll see the page break there is just a line. But if you want to see what the actual paper looks like, you're going to go to View and Reading View. Then you'll see your header and you'll see your page breaks. But you need to get out of Reading View, which sometimes confuses people. So what I want you to go to is Edit Document here. And choose Edit, not Open in Desktop app, because the word editor is not working that well in the desktop app. So now we're back to the editor. And we're going to click it to open it up. And when I just hover over it, it shows 37% there. And that means that 37% of the paper doesn't have any errors, but 63% of it needs some work. And let's look at some of these categories and how we would fix them. How formal will this document be? Well, let's pick formal. That seems very good. And let's look at one of the spelling errors. And here's spelling for the word preferred, and they highlight it in red, and they show you what the preferred spelling is, and you can change it. The same goes for grammar. Let's see if we can find a grammar error. In high school was the first time I began to use my phone more than just a tool. And of course, the word you want is than. So, and you see as you clicked it, it was changed. And as we go down the other categories, we see that there's one for conciseness, almost addiction is changed to addiction, and basically on is just changed to on, and so forth. Not worrying about inclusiveness or perspectives. Punctuation conventions. Putting the period after the close quotation marks needs to be fixed by putting the period before them. Let's see about vocabulary. More and more, they suggest use increasingly or just one more. And there you go doing it. And bad things, they suggest you change to sad things, terrible things, or dreadful things. I'll use dreadful things. And see, we've moved up from, I think it was 38 to 41%, making those few corrections. What you want to do is try to get it to 100%. And when you do, then you're going to download your paper and you're going to submit it on Blackboard to a form I will create for you. To do that, go to File, Save As, Download a Copy. Select Download a Copy. And there you will find it at the lower left of your screen, and you'll be able to select Show in Folder, and there will be the paper, and you can copy and paste it to your desktop. Slightly different for a Mac, but that's the idea, and once you've got it, you can submit it.